We are on our final push for Robert Smith's Indiegogo campaign. I would like to thank many of the main contributors: Barb and Richard Smith, Anna Winger, Esther Smith, Rick Baxter, and Diane Harper. We have reached 80% of our goal, and we are excited by the list of 18 contributors, and we hope for many more. You might not be able to contribute financially, but just by clicking this post, or even better, sharing this post, it helps get the word out to people who might want to help in their own way. The following clips are mostly from Carrie Diaries Season 2, and the final clip is from the upcoming HBO movie Normal Heart, starring Mark Ruffalo. This campaign is to help Robert Smith pay his initial fees for the Screen Actors Guild. It is the professional union for film and TV actors, and allows actors like me to have proper work conditions on set. It is essential to join the union as a professional actor, and you can help out today by a small donation to this campaign. Once again, thanks for all the contributors and anyone who has shared previous posts and or liked this campaign. There are 11 days left in the campaign, and any support is greatly appreciated. Help get the word out. Click like or share after watching this video. Thanks again.